Help me do something like that. Come on. What you help me grab that thing inside of my door. Done it why? Odo yewu. Odo to ye. You want to come and see my daughter? Akweke, you're crazy. Let me see you here again. Odo it why? Odo mensia.
Dumechenwo, you've not gone to work. Why?
I'm not feeling too well.
Hey. What is wrong with you?
Fever. Headache.
You're going to get some drugs so that you'll be fine and go to work. No, it has not been long you started this your handwork and it's too early to begin to start home. You know, go?
I'll get drugs. Let me rest a little. Thank you.
No. If you sit. Hello, Mary.
Mama mtaniru ya azu afono maburugo. Ada, come here. Ada, come here. Come here. Ada, since when have you started doing this thing you are doing?
What are you talking about? Are you talking to me or?
I'm talking to you.
What happened?
Ada, let me tell you something. All this thing you are doing, don't you ever try to refuse my proposal. The day I will come to your house to ask for your hand in marriage. Don't try it, because your behavior this time I don't understand. But anyway, I don't even have to talk anything with you. I have to go to your father. We sit like man and discuss what we have to discuss. I don't have anything to discuss with you.
Okay, I don't blame you. Because I am still in this village. You don't know your class again. You don't know your level. Because I am still in this village. Anywhere you see me, you'll be like, Ada, this one, talking nonsense. I don't blame you. I blame the alcohol that took away your life. Idiot.
You are calling me alcohol. You yourself, you are alcohol room. Your mother alcohol. Your father alcohol. The whole of your generation alcoholic. You are born and raised inside alcohol. Your generation alcohol. Alcohol, no. Oh, like you. Now look at you. I'm even trying to bring you close to me. I'm trying to. You are not even happy that you have someone like me around you. Look at them.
Oh, I know.
Good morning.
Morning, though.
Obi, we wanted to go to your shop first, but Choma here suggested we should come here that you will be around. And she's right, you are around.
Yes, she's right, but I would have gone. Just that I woke up this morning and I wasn't feeling too well. I was feeling feverish. Yes, so I decided to stay back and take some drugs and rest. But I feel better now.
Thank God you're better. The reason I came is to tell you that I'll be going to the city tomorrow.
Huh?
Yes. I know you will react this way because of it, but it's not my fault too. It's my uncle that said I should come to the city and help him with the business. And from there he will put me in the university. That's why.
And you're just telling me now? Huh? You're leaving for the city tomorrow. You are telling me now, today.
Don't misunderstand me. But don't worry. I promise I will always come back from time to time to check on you. Yes. Sorry.
It's okay now. Love one tente. Love one tente.
Okay. Bye-bye.
It's okay.
Working. Well, let's go now. Akweke. Let's go. Well, let's go now. Good day, sir. You're looking for my daughter, okay? Yes, sir. Okay. I want you to help me do something back there. Come on. So, I want you to help me grab that thing inside that. Bastard. Done it why? Odo yewu. Odo priye. You want to come and see my daughter? Akweke, you're crazy. Let me see you here again. Odo it why? Odo mensia.
Hey, I'm good. How about that?
I'm fine, though. How much are you buying today?
I don't wait for you tire now. You can't make me go chop for Mama John place. And I want chop self.
I never late now. You can buy and keep later you eat.
No, Africa. Don't worry, what's yours? Eh?
You may be busy. Has eaten.
I don't know, it should be somewhere. Hey, Maven.
Okay, let me go and find out.
Okay, let me go.
Next or tomorrow, don't eat it.
I will. One more.
Are you okay? Why are you looking at me like that? As if you saw something. What is it?
Oh man, meow. I was just admiring your dress. It's very fine.
Thank you. I brought your favorite. Hope you've not eaten.
I've not eaten. I've been waiting for you.
Here's the water.
Thank you. Whoa.
Want it big like this?
Yes. You can cut to this.
Okay. Hope you like today's one.
Confirm.
I made sure I added pepper because you said you liked pepper.
Thank you. Anything you add for me is good. Even if I don't say it, use your church mind and add it. It's good. Once it's coming from me, no other person will add it. You be the only person to add anything you want to add.
Don't worry, I'll make sure I'm doing it very fine for you.
Add anything. Good. Have you eaten?
Yes, I ate in the house before coming out. Also, said he has eaten.
Okay.
Yes, I didn't come on time.
Okay. I made you one come.
Okay. You are making you... Okay, let me go and give to others. I'm coming, eh?
Still keep for me or 6?
6.
6. So for my uncle.
No problem, just eat. Opa! Opa, wanna take it? Opa, Janko!
Akweke. Bring it. Akweke.
This one you're sleeping.
No, I'm not sleeping. I'm just rolling the sense.
Oh, you are.
Give me some upper.
Hey, how many do you want?
Give me 3 uppers. You pack it in 3s, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you just give me 3.
Should I cut it?
No.
Okay.
All right. There's a little snack. I'll give you the money later.
Later?
Yes.
Okay, before I finish, I'll come back.
Okay.
Alright.
You pay our money immediately.
Papa!
What a sumptuous arrangement. Wow.
Like I'm selling you, let me go and give to other people. I'll say come back. I'll keep your way.
Somebody is going to do something.
Yes, now. Trust me. I'm coming.
Tell me why you don't want to pay attention to what I'm doing.
Or is it because you are not a partner in this workshop? Remember, Anebe is still the senior partner, so anything can happen.
Okay, leave Anebe. Leave Anebe. My problem is not Anebe. I have bigger issues. I was sitting in that place, you know that place where we rest, at our rest. After a while, I drifted away, like I slept off. You know. When I started dreaming, I saw myself in Akweke's house, where I went to see her. Next thing, her father chased me away and told me never to come to his house again.
Which Akweke are you talking about?
Which other Akweke do you know?
Wait. Don't tell me it's the same Akweke, the Obasela that just left here now.
Yes. Same. See, I've always known I have strong feelings for that girl. Very strong feelings. But this one that I'm now dreaming of her, it's making me think about it.
Now I know this your headache after that again. Sorry, no?
People are making loser. See, bring this gladiator out. What I want to do before. My
Why you are walking as if you are running 3 by 100 meters race? Is something pursuing you? Or are you pursuing something with this your small leg? Are you by any mistake trying to insult me or you are trying to compliment yourself? You know that was just a compliment. I'm complimenting you. But that just by the way. Where is your friend Ada? I've not set my eye on her for like 1 month now. Is she dead? Okay, you are the one that is dead. Okay, you are a foolish man. Okay, you are useless. For saying that my friend Ada is dead, you are dead. See. Mind your tongue. Chioma, that's just by the way. Everybody in this village knows that I'm a dead man. My family knows that I'm dead already. I'm a walking dead. So that's just another thing for another day. Why I'm saying is because I've missed Ada so much. Look at me. I'm weighing down. I'm macheting by fire by force every blessed day by day. I need Ada. I'm missing Ada. Okay, Ada has gone to the city for good. You say what? Yes, she has gone to the city. So Ada left this village without telling me. And you did not do anything. You left Ada to travel without telling me. Hey! Ada tiwala mo bibo. Ada bawago mo bibo. Ada gbeyala mo bibo. Hey! Arobo dada bawala mo bibo. Ada bawala mo bibo. Choma, Ada bawago mo bibo. Wait, now I know that hey! Hey! Very well, roll on the floor. Are you still sitting? I bet you are lie down and cry. You don't lie down. Yeah, lie down. Useless man. Idiot. You are here crying because Ada has traveled. As if I don't even know who you are. Chama, come, Abe, come. Since Ada has traveled to the city, come, let me manage you. And where's the mobile jump? Ada body jago mobile. That is mattress. I'm mattress. Hey, Ada think jago mobile. That is mattress. I am mattress.
Dumeje.
Good morning, Mom.
You did not sleep last night. And you are here thinking. What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
Say nothing. Something is wrong with my son. And I know you. I'm your mother. Tell me, what is it?
Nothing serious.
Well, since you said there is nothing serious, let me go and prepare your food.
Thank you, Mom.
So up till now, this boy Dumeje has not come to shop. Eh? So he always want me to be the first to come so that I can help him sweep the place as his boy, Abi? No problem. I will sweep it. Voila. Let me see. No problem. I will do it. He'll come and have to let me pause. The boy I know when they employed him. So, after that, after the person, he will just come and start asking for Papa. You want to eat Papa? Papa. No problem. Come. I will sweep everything for you. Oh, for one kind of don't worry, I'll confuse them. I'll go and open my own.
Let me say we know they've not for. What we they've not for. How come Tanyere has? I follow magic because you know.
All hail the most handsome man in our village. All hail the most handsome man in our town and the neighboring town. Hey, a man who at the age of 30, he's still an apprentice to Mr. Nebe, one of the renowned mechanic roadside, in the whole village.
Don't insult me, Nico. Where are you going to this early?
Nowhere, sorry, somewhere. In fact, I'm going to Mazio Chendo to tell me why he should send laborers to cultivate on my father's land without making full payment. I
don't understand.
Mazio Chendo bought my father's land with a token. The next thing I saw laborers cultivating on that same land today without making full payment.
Oh, that's bad. How can Mazio Chendo do such a thing?
One more, because when our rose alarm now they will say, okay, Bidopa, no Wapamania is an alcoholic man. That's the way he used to drink. That's what I'm telling you.
Anyway, just take it easy. Let me run along. I have an important message. Let me handle some things. Whatever you do, don't be violent.
I thought you would follow me to Mazi Ochendo's house.
Is this where Dikeh stays? The one that sells over?
Yes, this is our home. Is there any problem?
No, really. My name is Jumeje. Yes, I'm her customer. So I came to see her, know how she's doing it.
Okay. She is usually not at home by this time of the day.
Oh, forgive me, I should have known. She must have gone to sell her usual.
Going to sell her.
Okay, no problem. Just when she comes back, tell her I came to see her.
It's okay. What did you say is your name?
Jumeje.
Okay, I'll show you. I'll do that.
Thank you.
It's okay. You came back.
Mama.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, man.
I'm okay.
How's your Major?
Major just went out too. He almost didn't want to go out because he woke up this morning very sick.
Okay, that means I have to go and see him now before I will start going to my own working place.
Oh, Edichie, oh.
Mama!
He came back.
Mama, I want to tell you something that is important. Imana asno nya balo megen opo no zo ka fuzo megen bo nyozo obola ba mmado na esusu ale efu ke esi bam no na village leka. Hey! Ota
Opo no zo ka bo nyozo iken bi buru pe bata. Hey! Oko ni mama no this boy. Nya ba opo no zo ka bo nyozo. Kebe nke me pa na ikpo nyozo na ipu no zo. Oh! Oike mbangwano.
Akweke! Akweke! Mama! Bia, bia. Mama, I nearly forgot. A young man came here early today, asking of you. He said his name is, what did he call that his name? Dumeje, yes. Do you know?
Yes, Mama, Dumeje. Yes, Mama. He's one of my best customers. I usually supply a part to him and his colleague at the mechanic workshop. Yes, Mama.
But what do you have with him that made him to come all the way from their workshop to our house looking for you? Are you owing him or
Mbakwa, Mama. I'm not owing him. Did he mention anything about debt to you?
No, he did not. It's just that young men of these days, they are very crafty, corny, and full of drama. So one needs to be very careful while dealing with them.
Mama, okay, I've heard you. But please, let's talk of something else before you start thinking of something else. Okay, Mama, I've heard you. But please, can I buy yours? Before you now start thinking of something else.
What is it that I will think of? Please sit down. Hey, your father called me earlier today. He said he will be coming home very soon.
Are you serious, Mama? Really?
Yes. And to add to that, he said while coming back, he will buy things for us, precious things, especially for you.
Oh yes, oh yes. Mama, I can't wait. I can't wait to see him, Mama.
Don't take my husband away from me.
Mama, what of my brother Nnamdi? How is he? Is he coming back with him?
He said Nnamdi is okay, but he will not come with your father. Just him alone.
Okay. It's fine. I can't wait to see Papa.
I'll soon be back. Go and get me that thing I kept in the kitchen.
Mommy,
So all these things have been happening. You didn't bother to tell me about work again.
Sorry. I met Romeo. I didn't do well, I'm sorry. And that's because you're always busy. You're always very busy. Most times I'll call you on the phone, you don't answer. At least you answered this time around. So now that you know, what should I do?
So let me tell you my own opinion here now. Maybe God wants to use this opportunity to unite both of you together. And you don't know, you're not about it.
What you are saying. Look at what you are saying. Are you an assistant to God? How can you be talking like this? I'm telling you that I always see this particular man, very mean looking man, you know, and he keeps telling me that he doesn't want to see me around his daughter. I keep seeing him in my dreams, and you're telling me that God wants to use that to unite us.
Are you a dreamer? If you just fall on low. And besides, how are you sure is this man? What you will do, call that girl closer. Know her very well. Open knock at the nurse. I see this person. No, if you just fall on low.
See, I like her. I like her very much. And I've studied her too. I believe she likes me. She likes me. The problem now is I need to open up to her, but I don't know how.
Oh, you might get the major in love. See what you will do. Are you not a man? So you cannot talk to a woman again. Your man is about chic.
Why are you talking like that? Just that. You
Just do as I said, eh? Can be another now. Let me go to my room workshop. Let me be going. Can be another.
Wait. I want to have a word with you. You know, Asuna, there's a way my Oga used to say it. My Oga Mnasu Okoko Yibo. Anasu Gogo. But on my own understanding, Ihomi Nebo, Onye Manaso, that's on equal. Onye Manaso, that's on Okuya. So, the way Dumeje used to come to work lately this time around is not good. You know he's still learning this work. And he started new. As for me, I have no everything I need to know. I had to go perfect. Please talk to him.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. You and Dumeje doesn't have the same acumen. That's what they call acumen. Let me tell you. Dumeje on but by the way, I will talk to him. He's my very good friend. Don't call him Madriajo.
Please talk to him.
But Mapa no nya palo megene. Upon also came again a bonus or what I bag in a Sierra.
Opagum.
Now,
I will talk to him. Please talk to him or I'm talking to him. I'm just, you know, I have a good mind. I just said my mind.
You're heartless, I know.
You go talk to him or? No problem. I'm going to call it.
Two for that. But I was begging you to give me 3 100 and you know this.
Wait, you didn't give me water? Bought water for that matter? Wait, my water.
Pastor, what is your problem? Okpa is my Okpa. Whenever I did it. If you want extra, but look at it here. You can pay and take more.
Simple.
So you give us special banana. Special banana. Okay.
Let me go and settle them. I'll be back later.
Oh, I
want to give my money. I'm coming.
I should give them money.
Let me tell
you something you don't understand. Woman, I like you well. So much.
I like it well.
Come on, I'm on way you and me.
Now, mama, me do job with you.
Let's go with you.
What do I business?
Huh? Welcome to my house.
Thank you.
Oh, please, you can sit.
No, don't worry. I'm just returning from work. I'm even tired. I'll soon leave. I don't want to disturb you too much.
Okay, how did you locate my house? Because my mom told me you were here earlier today.
Yeah, so I came in the morning. Well, you know me now. In this town, I can't find anywhere. I ask questions.
Okay.
How was business today?
We bless God, you know, as usual.
Yes, sir. I would like to discuss something with you, if you don't mind.
Okay, you can go ahead.
But actually, I would like us to go somewhere, private, sit down and talk. I won't take much of your time. Please.
Jay, what is it you want us to particularly talk about?
When we get there now, you'll find out. Oh?
Okay, no problems. Where and what time?
5 p.m. 5 p.m. Angel's Bar.
Okay, fine. It's almost 5.
Let me go and shower and look better than this.
Okay, no problems. I'll meet you up there shortly.
5 p.m. Thank you.
Alright.
won't say nah. Won't you continue? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Let me get you something to drink.
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes. So tell me, what is it you want us to discuss?
Okay. Actually, I have something to tell you, but
what? Say it anyway. You know I don't have time. I'm a busy woman.
Okay. See, I like you so much. And I believe you must have noticed that I like you. It's just that I'm a very shy person. Saying this kind of thing is always difficult for me.
Edichie, you've always expressed yourself before me. You're equally doing so right now. So just go ahead and tell me what you want to tell me.
Yes, I have not been able to say this one. And I've been trying. That's why I told you, let's come out to a private place where I can talk.
We're here now, so go ahead and say it.
I want us to be lovers. I want you in my life. I want you to be my woman. I promise you I will never hurt you. Cross my heart. I will never hurt you.
Where is this girl? Eh? Where has she gone to? Leaving everything she has to do. Akweke! Hey! I don't know what about. Eh? I don't know what. Anyway, you will still come back to this house and meet me wherever you are. Eh?
I sincerely don't know what to say. I'm confused.
Just say anything, but at least say it from your heart. I'll understand. Oh?
Since I was a child, my father never allowed me to love any man. He's been so overprotective of me, to the extent that he didn't even allow me to go to the university. Edichie, you're a nice man. Every woman will want to be by your side. But the truth is, I don't think I'm ready to fall into the arms of any man. I'm scared of making mistakes. I'm scared.
I understand. But see, with me you'll not make any mistake. I promise you. I'll love you and I'll take care of you. I will never hurt you. Oh?
I would appreciate it if you can still give me some time to think about it. Please.
Okay, fine.
Thank you for your understanding. Thank you. Alright, I'll be on my way.
Wait, I just drink something.
Oh, I'm fine.
You want food?
Malians don't wear belts. Malians.
Hey!
Ninga for you. Oh, I'll see you later.
I'm going bye-bye.
Hey! Easy, baby. Easy, my friend.
Where are you coming back from?
I went to see a friend.
Which friend?
Mami Biakwa. Don't I have the right to have friends? Or am I not old enough to know what I want?
To the detriment of your business, Akweke, you left all you were supposed to do in this house and you went out to see a friend. How does it sound to your ears?
Please, Mama, I'm begging you. I'm tired. I don't even have strength to talk now.
Akweke! Akweke, come out here! Akweke! Hey! Look at the man now! This girl just walked out on me, her mother! When I chop on the head, I put them. Akweke, come here! Akweke!
Papa John! I'm very fine. Welcome. So good to have you back home.
Thank you. Where is Mama and Uju?
As usual, they went to the market.
I have to see them because I've missed them so much.
Like this?
Yes, so. I'll be back. I'll see you later.
Like this? With your uniform? The Panama.
Your phone. Hello? It's someone, Mom. Hey. I'm fine, no. Hey! Compassion! Come, there is food in the shop. Hey! Ne, okay, someone one day.
Mama Shiva?
Yes. She says she's coming here now. She says she's through with her youth service.
Hey, Mama Shiva.
Hey, it's your one who was got compassion. Hey, hey.
May God bless this food in Jesus' name.
Ninka toya. Why?
But Mama, it's very you somehow.
Jono, Mama, you may be sick.
So, when are you expecting to go back?
Mama, we're given 3 weeks to stay before going back. But for me, I would like to stay for a month. That's me before going back.
Will they serve your query?
No.
Edichie.
No.
Which means you will assist me to the market for tomorrow, so that you will gather the money you used to go back as you said. Juma, are you a bird? Rice.
You can have more strength.
This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am. I will show you care from the little I have. I'll protect you, show you how I love you. No matter what we are passing through, I will love you with my whole life. You are the best choice I made. You are the best choice I made. Nothing will come in between us. From my heart I say I do. Thinking of you gives me happiness and joy that knows no bounds. We will pass through rain and sun and thorns. I will protect you. You have given me reason to smile. You are the reason I'm happy now. So you and I will live forever, no matter what we face, baby. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love.
You are indeed a wonderful girl. You see, any man that will come here to marry you must ensure to provide a big cow for your mother and I. For raising you up in such a wonderful way. Look at you. Eh? Not complete.
You are right. Adoma.
Mama.
Akugomo.
Mama.
Imani ruru. Your father is right, 100% right. If the man cannot afford any cow, no marriage.
I've heard you, Mama. I've heard you, Mama. Can you now? It's okay. Hold on. Let me get water to wash him.
So bad there.
Hey. Mama, if you hand away, your daughter can cook.
Yes.
Any man that marries this girl is the luckiest man in the world.
Man, yeah.
Adam. And Maya. Let's eat.
You go pancake?
Yes, Mama.
You are the best choice I made. Nothing will come in between us. From my heart I say I do. Thinking of you gives me happiness and joy.
Aqua Eke. Yeah. Wake up, my daughter.
Yes, Papa.
I called you out here because you are my only daughter. And as such, you know I will always want the best for you. Very soon I'll be traveling to Ghana to see your elder brother. So I want you to remain the good girl you have always been. I don't want to hear or see you jumping around this village with these boys.
The way you're sounding, as if I'm not going to get married someday.
Of course, my daughter, you will get married. But it has to be with the right man.
Papa, what do you mean by the right man?
Akweke, what I mean is, I will never give your hand in marriage to any poor man. Any man that will come here to marry you must be rich, wealthy. And that person must assure your mother and I that he will take good care of you. No, look at your skin, eh? Huh? You want to marry someone that will turn it to dark because he cannot afford it.
Wow.
Oh.
No, Papa.
Now I'm glad you're beginning to see things my way. Yeah? I'm glad you're beginning to understand where I'm coming from.
Papa. This is why you're so happy.
Only my dear boys.
It's like we'll use chicken to cook soup today.
Are you hungry for chicken?
Yes, Papa.
Maybe we can find one.
Thank you, Papa. Let me go back to what I was saying.
Alright.
Thank you, Papa. So very soon you'll be going to the NYSC camp.
Yes, so my sister. Are you not happy for me?
Of course I'm happy for you. Education is a good thing. It's just unfortunate that I didn't get the chance to. If not, by now I should be going to the camp with you.
That's true. Oh wait, sister. Is it true that when I get close to university, she'll get herself a good and worthy husband to marry? Of course. Education is key to everything. No reasonable man would want to marry an entity or an illiterate as a wife. I can remember back in school days how many men that stopped their cars just to talk to me. So my sister, once you go to school, which way you want to rush you, not all these small boys around. Hey! That means after my secondary school, I'll go to university like you. So that when the husband will come and marry me. Of course, you won't like it. Akweke. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Okay, if you say so. Okay, now come, let me see you. I'm coming back later.
Is not rich. Even if I decide to give him the opportunity, how do we cope? Isioma is right. I think I'm in love with him. I'll need to give him a chance. Let's see where it leads us.
Akweke.
Mama.
What is happening? You look so worried. Is everything alright?
Mama, I'm fine.
Why are you not preparing for market?
You worry too much, Mama. I'm okay. I'm not a child anymore, Mama. I'll still go to the market.
I have to worry. Whatever that concerns you, concerns me. Have you forgotten you are my only daughter?
Mama, stop this thing you're using to deceive me. Only daughter that you and Papa will not allow to rest.
Why should I allow you to
Let me
rest?
see what you
Do I
brought
have
out.
any other person?
Nothing. You just want me to buy something for you if I'm coming back from the market.
You have to buy. You have to buy something for me.
Yeah. Mama, let me go and get it.
Wow, where will I be like you? You're already like me. If you were not like me, you will not be my partner in this workshop. Yeah, I agree with you, but I believe there are things you know that you don't want to tell me. Experience, time. As you begin to do this work and get better in it, you will know where to touch an engine and it will respond. Anyway, I think your own knowledge comes from cigar.
So fine, eh? Thank you. At least you didn't come back the same way you left.
Ogonia, no.
You've seen the 4 walls of the university. Poor me. I couldn't further my education because we don't have money. And you know my father is so overprotective of me.
Akweke, don't worry. God knows the best, okay? Someday when you get married, your husband might decide to put you in one of the best institutions that does part-time.
Amen. I pray so.
Don't worry. What do you want to go and buy in the market?
You don't know. Things I'm using to make my over.
I was even going to go and meet my mother in the market. Let me go inside and get dressed so we go together.
Oh no. I'm actually rushing to deliver one of my friends.
Akweke. Who is that?
Or it's not someone you know.
Yes, about the I will see you later in the market now. Okay. And I'm walk off.
I missed you.
I missed you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Are you the owner of this shop?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
What's wrong with your car?
I don't know. The car has been jacking. I'm sure you noticed when I came in.
Yes, I know. Even the sound. Yes.
Please check what the problem is.
Okay. When was the last time you serviced your injector?
It's been a while.
Yeah,
it's been a while.
Okay, I suspect the whole firing system. Yes, I noticed when you were coming in, it's not firing well. Although first thing I'll do is to plug a system in it and check it. Plug my machine. After that, whatever I see, I'll tell you. But I suspect the injector. So after that, most likely I'll service the injector, change the plugs. When did you change the plugs last?
It's been a while. I've been so busy.
I know. Check. So I'll do that service injector, change the plugs, and then I'll just drain the oil, general servicing. Then if the system sees anything, I'll let you.
And all this you do in a space of?
A few hours will be done. I'm one of the best in this town.
Yeah.
It's
alright. So how much?
Usually, if I do all these things, I always charge from 40,000 above, but give me 30.
30,000. Wow.
It's not much.
It's on the high side. I never expected I would be asked to pay that kind of amount.
This place is highest, so I'm telling you, go to this whole town. My machine is the best. Once I plug it, you just go straight and tell me what.
Alright, no problem. As long as you get the car running, I'm fine.
Yeah, nothing to worry about. Give me the key. I have the seats there, you can sit down.
Okay. Please, be fast.
Okay. Let me park the car well. Okay.
Who's in the house? Dumeje! Are you sure somebody is in this house? Miss Oma. Come. Let's just knock. Maybe the mother is inside.
Are you sure somebody is in this house? Because everywhere looks so silent.
Let's knock. Maybe the mother is inside.
Are you sure?
Let's knock first.
Yeah, go ahead and knock. Let's knock.
I should knock?
Yeah, let's knock. Good day, ma.
Oh, my children. You are welcome.
Yes, ma.
Mama, do you remember me? Your face looks familiar.
This your hair is fine, especially the red color. Yeah, I'll make it too.
Ada, what are you even saying?
What am I not saying?
Mama, who made this hair for you? Red hair for that matter. Does the person know that you are an old woman?
Once in a while, I have to do a colorful hair to look young like you girls.
Yeah.
Don't you know I was once like you?
Are you saying that at this age, you made this red hair just because you want to look young like us? I don't understand.
Who doesn't want to look young? You ask too many questions. Who doesn't want to be young? Who doesn't want to be young? Yeah, it's fine, Biko.
Why are you being angry unnecessarily?
I'm not being angry, I'm just telling you.
Hey!
And you should go and make it.
I am everywhere, Biko. Oh yeah, come. I don't know what is wrong with her.
Because she's getting me self, man. I can beat you. Come inside now. Come on.
Yes, ma. Mama, do you now remember me?
Of course I do. And that's friend.
Yes, ma. Well done, ma.
And who is she?
She's my friend. Her name is Imesoma.
Hey, such a fine girl.
Yes, sir. She's a fine girl. Gelio.
Ada traveled to the city without informing me.
No, Mama. It was urgent. The Major was away. Yes.
The Major Mama herself. So Major is not happy about it. Because he said she told her just a day before she left for that travel.
Mama, I'm sorry about that. But she's the reason we are here. Yes. She said we should come and tell the Major that she'll be coming back very soon.
Oh! Mama, the Major is not even at home. He went to his mechanic workshop.
In that case, Mama, let us go there and give him the good news.
Let's meet him there. Thank you very much. Hey, Mama. Hey.
What's happening now? I've been sitting there for more than a few hours and you promised to fix this car. Why is it taking so long?
Well, this is your car damaged very well.
What do you mean, my car damaged well? When I came in here, you gave me the impression that this was a piece of cake. You know what? It's okay. Alright? Forget it. Let me take it to somewhere else before you cause more damage to it. Yeah. Just shut the bonnet. Take those things off.
Okay, wait. It has not gotten to that. Let me finish. I've not finished.
Shut the bonnet for me.
Yeah.
Go to the car.
No, I said I've not finished.
The car is not starting. What else are you fixing? Because I can't see any loose ends here.
Yeah. Be patient. I've not finished. It's not as if I can't fix this car. My room camera is steady. Just wait. It's not camera. Huh? Yeah.
You have to fix this car right now. Here. If you don't want to rot in jail, fix this car now.
Wait now. Slow down. You're not rushing it.
I'm not patient. I know your type.
Hello? Let me...
Yeah, explain, yeah. Please, I need you to send some of your boys to mechanic workshop. Yes, the one by the village road. Yes, right away. You cannot believe some nitwit I brought my car to fix a minor problem. Just rendered my car useless. The car is not starting. Yes, my Camry. I'm waiting, sir. Thank you.
Oh, slow down now. You have not got taken about police. I'm not finished. Slow down. Let me finish the car. I never said I can't fix it. Ask all these people and I look Camry every day. Slow down. Because I don't like this thing. So need to go and call police. Slow down. Let me be patient. Let me fix the car.
I'm Eze from SAS office. OC Sir should bring you. Move it.
Officer, it has not gotten to this now.
Follow me.
Boss, wait now.
Follow me.
Beg them now. Let them not take me.
Officer, wait now. Arrest this guy. Let us leave here. I don't have time. Come, let us take this guy away.
Wait, Oga, please just wait. I just called our second Oga. He said he is on his way. Just patient, he will soon be here.
I don't have time. I don't have patience for this. Okay, officer, move this guy.
See. Anybody is coming. He has more experience than me.
Yes. Oh, really? So someone is more experienced than you.
I'm sorry, now. I didn't know. Please, now he hasn't gotten to this. We'll take care of this thing. It's not it's not a problem.
Yes. You know what?
Officer, cool down.
Usually I don't do this, but because of the way you have spoken, I am going to give you a little window, small. Eh? If he doesn't show up in record time, forget the gentleman look. I will pull my clothes.
Don't worry, we'll fix this guy.
It will soon be here. It will soon be here. Officer, I can't say I can now.
Please. Hasn't got
Officer, just let him be for now. Okay? Let's wait for his so-called Oga. Let's wait.
Why are you talking like this now? Okay, don't expose me here now. When I will come here by every day. You know now. But the man carrying this one. Is the American's way? I don't know. Don't shout.
What has he done?
Masama, are you asking me that question? If you ask me, who I want to ask?
Okay, Ichoma, let's go in and find out what he has done.
Hey, this girl. Let's go where?
Let's go in and find out that what he has done. Look the way they are dragging him now.
Let's go inside there.
Yes, now.
And find out something is wrong with you. Don't you know that if what he has done is a criminal offense, if we get in there, they will arrest us?
Why? But we are not criminals now.
Eh? I gotta explain to them. For me, I'm leaving. Eh?
Choma, you come here.
Is it okay now?
I'm afraid the starting sensor has gone bad. And when it goes bad, it must affect the brain box. And the fuse is in disarray. This car cannot start except these things I mentioned are fixed.
Okay. I don't understand. Ordinary jacking. Small jacking. And I brought my car here. This imposter leaped out and said he was the god of Camry. Said he was going to fix whatever that was wrong with the car. Just look at. My car cannot even start. This guy has rendered me immobile. Look at.
It's okay. He's not an imposter, okay? Dumeje, what he has said, is it true?
No, that's not how it happened. I never called myself God of Camry. I never said that. I just said I can fix the car. I now started fixing it. He was just shouting. I told him, be patient, let me fix this car. He went to start the car. I'm sure that was when this thing happened. Because I was not done. He could do something. He could.
Dumeje, you see that thing I always tell you? Sometimes when you don't understand these things, you wait until I come back. Look, follow them to the station. I will find a way around this.
Hey, take this guy now! Take this guy away!
What else?
Okay, wait, let me just talk. What else should I do?
What is it? Dumeje?
Please, let me talk to her. She's very important to me. Let me explain to her. Go.
Dumeje, what happened?
I don't know. I don't know. Somebody brought this okay, he brought car for me to fix. You know me very well. I don't come here all the time. I started this one. I don't know what happened. In the process, some things were damaged. I don't have money to replace those things they are talking about. They want to take me to the police station.
Please, no, hold on, please. Okay, how much is it? How much are we talking about here?
Look, the damage done to this car will cost 60,000 naira to fix. 60,000 naira.
Okay.
Don't you know how much the sensor alone is? Then the brain box has to be fine-tuned.
Yes. Is it up to that?
Are you doubting my integrity?
Sorry.
I will find a way around it. Go with them.
Okay, please don't take him away, please. Just hold on, I'm coming. Don't take him away.
What is going on here? This is turning into a wild chase. What is happening here?
Can we maintain some police from steadiness? Let's wait for you.
Akweke really going to pay such huge amount of money just to free him?
Anyway, let's say and watch. Let's see the outcome.
So they may actually date him?
Yeah! How do you know?
Isn't that obvious? Or do you think any girl will risk such huge sum of money just to free him if they don't have any affair?
Yes. There is point in what you just said. No problem. Let's see what will happen, eh? We will be here. We will see the outcome, the last result of what is going on now. We'll see if she will come back with that money.
Oh, now you are talking. Now you are talking. Let's stay here and wait and see what will happen.
Take this guy away. Guys, save us now. Take this guy away. Mr. Man is not to my time.
Too patient. How long has she been gone?
4 hours. I've been here since morning.
I demand some.
Officer, let us
go. Where is the money?
Officer, collect it.
Leave the money, okay? Wait. Give it to him.
When did you start buying
Oga? 2 hours. I'm giving you guys 2 hours to get my car fixed, or there will be consequences.
Oh, okay, go on.
Serious one.
Officer, let us sit here and wait for the traffic.
2 hours.
It's okay. I couldn't stand there and watch them take you away. Ha! Sorry.
Remove the top cylinder, then remove the alternator. Let me go and bypass. And listen, if you add more damage to this car, you will bear the consequences.
That is why I said let me go and buy the pass. Because this is new model. I've not used this kind of car before.
If you mention buying parts again, I will curse you. Lose the engine. Lose the engine!
I should lose the engine. Come now, come help me and lose this thing now.
Okay, my boss, stop calling me.
Believe this. So Akweke just gave a whole of 60,000 for the major for free.
But I told you they were having an affair, but you didn't believe me. Now you have seen it yourself.
Hey!
I told you. I saw it. You think I was lying?
This girl is very smart. Hey!
Adao. Mama, like, no one will tell her everything. You must tell her that.
Hey! What have I done? What have I done? I can't believe I used my entire savings, including the money I was supposed to go to the market with, just to save Dumeje. Hey! Chineke, what will I tell my mother? Hey! Ha! Hey!
Akweke. Mama, what is going on?
Nothing,
What is the problem?
Mama, nothing.
You don't look fine. Huh? Anyway, why the earlier on?
Mama, that time, if you see what was happening, I was rushing to save a friend that was in trouble.
Is that the reason you could not even answer me when I was calling you?
Mama, you will not understand.
Then, make me understand. Akwugum, Adoma, Akwemakwa n'oge nwa bụ ofu mkpụrụ anya ji onye isi ụgwọ. Ejiro m ga-eti egwuregwu.
Mama,
whatever the problem is, tell me.
Mama, don't worry, it's okay, nothing. You don't understand.
What is it?
I've quit my job.
Why?
I don't want to be a mechanic.
Hey!
Noma! Akweke!
Look at you! You're looking good!
You too, my baby. Where is my daughter Akweke?
She's inside. Akweke! Akweke, your father is back!
I was only gone for 6 months. You have grown into a big woman. A beautiful woman. Oh my goodness.
Hey.
Hey, let's go inside so that I'll show you what I have for you. Come on! Come on, baby, let's go, come on! I want me to get a close hand. Yeah!
This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more, he be fun I am. I will show you care from the little I have. I will protect you, show you how I love you. No matter what we are passing through, I will love you with my whole life. You are the best choice I made. You are the best choice I made. Nothing will come in between us. From my heart I say I do. Thinking of you gives me happiness and joy that knows no bounds. We will pass through rain and sun, and thorns I will protect you. You have given me reason to smile. You are the reason I'm happy now. So you and I will live forever, no matter what we face, baby. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, fading, unshakable.
Yes.
This is love.
Hey, Alpha, is it okay now?
I'm afraid the starting sensor has gone bad. And when it goes bad, it must affect the brain box. And the fuse is in disarray. Hey. This car cannot start except these things I mentioned are fixed.
Oga, I don't understand. Ordinary jacking, small jacking, and I brought my car here. This imposter leaped out and said he was the god of Camry. Said he was going to fix whatever that was wrong with the car. Just look at. My car cannot even start. This guy has rendered me mobile. Look at.
It's okay, it's okay. He's not an imposter, okay? Dumeje, what he has said, is it true?
No, that's not how it happened. I never called myself God of Camry. I never said that. I just said I can fix the car. I now started fixing it. He was just shouting. I told him, be patient, let me fix this car. He went to start the car. I'm sure that was when this thing happened. Because I was not done. He could do something, Nico. Huh?
Domeje, you see that thing I always tell you? Sometimes when you don't understand these things, you wait until I come back. Look, follow them to the station. I will find a way around this.
Hey, take this guy now! Take this guy away!
What else do you
Okay, wait, let me just talk to her. What else do I do?
What is it? Dumeje?
Please, let me talk to her. She's very important to me. Let me explain to her, Nico.
Dumeje, what happened?
I don't know. Yeah? I don't know. Somebody bought this. Okay, he bought car for me to fix. You know me very well. I don't come here all the time. I started this one. I don't know what happened. In the process, some things were damaged. I don't have money to replace those things they are talking about. They want to take me to the police station.
Please, no, hold on, please. Okay, how much is it? How much are we talking about here?
Look, the damage done to this car will cost 60,000 naira to fix. 60,000 naira.
Okay.
Don't you know how much the sensor alone is? Then the brain box has to be fine-tuned.
Yes.
Are you doubting my integrity? I will find a way around it. Go with them.
Okay, please don't take him away, please. Just hold on, I'm coming. Don't take him away.
True love.
What is happening here?
This is love. Kobe Mo, he be Funayam. I will show you care from the little I have. I will protect you, show you how I love you. No matter what we are passing through, I will love you with my whole life. You are the best choice I made. You are the best choice I made. Nothing will come in between us. From my heart I say I do. Thinking of you gives me happiness and joy that knows no bounds. We will pass through rain and sun.
Officer, let us take this guy away. Guys, save us! Take this guy away! Mr. Man, listen to my time! Patient!
How long has she been gone?
4 hours! I've been here since morning!
I demand some.
Officer, let us go!
Leave him alone! Where's the money?
Officer, collect it.
Leave the money, okay? Wait.
This love, true love, it is unchanging, fading, unshakable. This is love. Hope you more, he be Funayam. This is love, true love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope you more, he be Funayam. Hope you more, don't cry no more. I'm here with you. Though the suffering is too much, the pain is too great, but it won't last forever. Smile for me, girl. We are in this together.
Ọ̀dọ̀ mi ńkọ́, ọ̀dọ̀ mi nsai, ọ̀dọ̀ ni Ibuaye. This whole compound is a mess. I don't want to believe that Akweke is still sleeping by now, when she should have been up to do her normal house chores. Akweke! 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 Good morning, my beautiful wife. Please go and wake your daughter up. Look at this whole compound is a mess. And she's still sleeping by now.
Nai, please take it easy. She might be tired. Remember we didn't go to bed on time last night. Because of the story you're telling us about Ghana.
Even at that, she ought to have woken up. Or has she forgotten she's a woman? And she'll be up early enough to do those basic things in the house like I taught her.
Butu, let me go and wake her up. Come out here.
My wife, come. Let me tell you. Let me tell you what they call this in Ghana. Odo yewu, odo minko, odo minsai, odo ni buae.
Nanye, ibiawa, biko butu. Kena don here na do ka nga pote ya. Kekwa nke wo odo mi se.
Please go and wake her up. I'll be here with you. Where is she?
She's not in her room. Neither is she anywhere around this house.
Norma,
No.
tell me the truth. Has Akweke started seeing a man?
No. None that I know of. But why do you ask?
I have a feeling that your daughter is hiding something.
Something like what?
I really can't place it. But henceforth, I'll put my eyes on the ground to confirm that is not what I'm thinking.
You are here, sir. Why?
Yes, where is Dumeje?
Dumeje is no longer with us.
How?
You see, after that incident yesterday, he decided to quit.
Why? I paid the money.
Yes, he paid the money, but he said he needed to quit because so that he doesn't want to face this kind of embarrassment again.
This is indeed sad.
Yeah, it's indeed sad. Akweke, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for yesterday. If not you, Dumeje would have been in police cell right now.
It's fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
But please, can you direct me to his house?
His house is a little bit far from here. 2 streets from here. Tekno Street. Yes.
That's Okenwa Street now?
Yes, beside the Okenwa Street.
Okay.
Yes.
I should just ask anybody about Dumeje.
Once you get there, just ask any young man Dumeje's house. They will show you.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye.
Okay, please, do you know the way to Dumeje's house?
Dumeje?
Yes, Dumeje.
Take the road by your left. When you get there, when you get to that Catholic church there, ask people around, they will show you.
Okay, my left.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Alright.
Take care. Bye-bye.
What was she asking you?
She asked me the road to Dumeje's house.
Me, I'm tired. I'm not going anywhere with you again. I'm tired of following you since morning, eh? Me, I'm tired now. See, go and carry me somewhere so you guys can go together. So you can complete your journey. I'm tired. I'm not going again. Why can't we following one person since morning? Are you not tired? Me, I'm tired. You're not.
Why can't you just go back like that?
How would I go back?
Wait. Let me just follow her and finish this one. Let's finish this business. Know where she's going to.
I'm not tired. I'm not going anywhere. Continue. Go and call me somewhere, please.
Go. I'll go and call Miss Sama will follow me. We will know where she's going to. We will know her movement. Every movement she makes in this village, I must know.
Before I brought you food, I was on my way to the market to get the things I will use to make Oba for tomorrow. Okay. So when I saw those men trying to take you away, I couldn't stand it. I had to rush back home, brought the remaining money I've saved for some time now, added it to what I have and then gave it to you.
Try. Just for me. That means you don't even have money for your business anymore. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm really grateful for what you did. I'm grateful. I promise you, I'll pay you back. Okay? I'll find the money. I don't know where I'll get it from, but I will find it. I'll do anything to get that money and pay you back.
No. You're not going to pay me back. Whatever I did for you, I did it for love. Yes. I didn't do it for you to pay me back. Don't worry, some people are still owing me. I'll go and collect my money from them and use it to start
No problem, but I must pay you this one. Your business cannot stop because of me. Oh?
Dumeje, I did what I did for love. I've grown to love you so much. All through last night, I couldn't sleep. I was just thinking about you. Please, promise me you will not hurt me. Please. I'm in love with you now.
And I'm in love with you too. I'm madly in love with you. I will not hurt you, I promise. I mean, you're a wonderful person. You're the only person who actually cares about me. I will not hurt you, okay?
Thank you.
This is love. True love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more. He be full I am. This is love. True love. It is unchanging, unfading, unshakable. This is love. Hope more. He be full I am.
Akweke, come here.
I will show you care from the little I have.
Akweke, hold your breath. What is good about the morning? I am asking you, what is good about the morning?
I don't understand, Mama.
Yes, you will not understand. You left everything you are supposed to do in this house and you went to where I don't know. Even to sweep this compound, you could not. Akweke, where are you coming back from?
I went to see a friend.
Which friend?
From my heart I say I do.
His name is Dumeje.
Gives me happiness.
Is he not the man that came here the other time looking for you? Eh?
He's the one, Mama.
Akweke.
Yes, Mama.
You are having an affair with that loafer.
Mama, he's not a loafer.
Hey! Akweke, you have killed me. Akweke, why do you want to bring shame and dishonor to this house? Can you hear Meregi? Okay, can Meregi Akweke? Eh? Of all the rich men in this village, you did not see any of them, but that good for nothing loafer. Inyakweke! What is wrong with you? Anyway, I don't have to waste my strength talking to you. Thank God that your father is back to the country. You have him to contend with, not me. Useless girl. Legodia, I want to see my friend. Legodia, know her. Hey!
True love, it is unchanging, fading.
So nice, right?
This is
I
love.
started seeing a man. Hey!
Be more,
You who are me.
he be fun I am.
Hey, if you want.
Don't cry.
Akweke must explain herself today.
I'm here with you.
Stupid girl. I want to know if I'm your father or not. Wherever you're hiding.
It's too much.
Akweke.
It's too great, but it won't last forever. Smile for me. Smile for me, girl. We are in it together. Laugh for me. Laugh for me. We are going through it together. I love you from my heart. From my heart. So baby, don't panic. This is our choice. We're not going back. This is our choice. We've made up our mind. Oh, 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 oh. You are the one. I will live forever with you. Oh, 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 oh. You are the one. We will be together, baby. You are my best. You are my heart.
Yeah, Norma. Why are you the one sweeping the compound? Where is Akweke? Don't tell me she's not back from wherever she went to.
No, she is back. She's back, oh.
Did she tell you where she's coming from?
No, I suggest you go and ask her by yourself. Go on Zara.
Akweke! 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 Akweke!
Papa! Hey, Papa, welcome.
Akweke!
Yes, Papa.
Since when did you become this stubborn?
Papa, I don't understand.
Where did you leave this house to early this morning?
I went to see my friend.
So your so-called friend is more important than for you to make sure you do all the normal things you do in the house, like your chores, clean up the compound before going to wherever. By the way, who is this your so-called friend that made you leave this house that early?
His name is Dumeje. He's my boyfriend.
Odo yewo!
We love each other.
Odo minko! Odo mensai! Odo nibwe! Yeah! Akweke, so you're not keeping a boyfriend? Hey! F1.
Papa, since I was a child, you've always dictated my life. Now I'm grown up. Allow me to make some certain decisions myself.
Eh? Odo yewo! So you're old enough now to know what you want up here? Okay, no problem. Wait for me. I'm coming. Vamos.
My father! He's chasing me with a cutlass.
Why? What did you do?
Mama, he ordered me to take him to where Dumeje stays. When I refused, he rushed into the house, brought out a cutlass and threatened to cut off my head.
Udumejekwa?
Who is Odumeje? Who is Odumeje? What's him here?
He's my boyfriend. The man I want to spend the rest of my life with.
How could you just make such a mistake? You know how deadly your father can be. I thought you talked about this and you told me that you're not going to talk about Odumeje to your father now.
So I couldn't hold it anymore now. I can't keep it from me for this long. Mama, please, can I stay with you for small while my father's anger subsides?
As you can see, we are about going to the market before you came.
You and you can go to the market. I'll stay with our quicker. I'll come and join you later.
It's okay. Take care of yourself. Like that, I die.
How could you make such a mistake now? Now your father will be going around now to hold that poor boy.
What is this now? What's happening? Is it wrong for me to fall in love?
It's not wrong.
At my age!
You know who your father is? Do you know who your father is?
That useless daughter of yours thinks she can run away up here? I was only gone 6 months to Ghana. She already started dating and having an affair with a mechanic. Odo yewo. Odo menkwa.
Please, just calm down. Don't get yourself worked up because of this.
Don't tell me to calm down. It's all your fault. If you had looked after that girl properly, she wouldn't have stooped so low as to date a mechanic. My own daughter.
Nai, Biko butu oyeba. Don't just try to put the blame on me. It's all your fault. By the time you were traveling, you said you wouldn't stay for a long time. But you stayed for 6 full months, leaving me alone with her. Ebi no na agba, odo mi se, odo kredo, odo yemi, odo nuku oye. Ngwanu, odorogonu.
Oh, it's all my fault now.
Yes,
right?
Nai. All your fault.
Okay. We shall see to that.
Odorogo.
Is it wrong to fall in love? Is it wrong to find your missing ribs? I can see a crime in this. Leave us alone, leave us in peace.
I'm sorry for what happened the last time.
You know how it is. You know I'm a contractor, you know that. Yeah. And this is where I eat from.
That's why I came to you.
I know. You're my hobby, you know.
There's a house I'm going to take you to tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah? From there you'll be a full-time contractor. Okay. You start seeing some dough. Okay. Alright?
Yeah. Right. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate it, but can we start today?
No, I said tomorrow. I'm going to take you to a house. It's a new house. Yeah, you go start from there. Yeah, you'll be a full contractor. From there, you'll be seeing small dough. It's not small dough. You'll be seeing big doughs. You can wear Gucci and Louis Vuitton. You know, that's how I roll. Yeah.
I know how you roll. Me, I've not started rolling like you.
You will still start rolling.
Not yet. See, my problem. I don't even want big. Just. Can you guarantee me that once I start working there, I'll start seeing small something immediately?
101%, bro. You're going to see big. More than you expect. Yeah, 101. You know, you're my homeboy, man.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome, man. What are friends for, man?
Thank you. God bless you.
Bless you
God
too,
bless
bro.
you.
Bless you.
So what time should I come tomorrow?
Let's say 8.
8?
Yeah. Yeah, be here by 8, so we can go there.
I'll be here by 7. I'll just be coasting around now waiting for you.
I believe you, bro. Yo, Fukuma!
Okay, you need to do something about this. I mean, how long are you going to continue to stay here? You need to go home. Your father will not kill you.
He will. He will kill me. I know how deadly my father is.
Why don't you let Odumeje know what's going on? He might provide a solution to this now, eh?
I don't want to let him know. Because it will instigate more fear in him. He already told me of how my father always visited him in his dream, warning him to stay away from me. Now all that is coming to reality. I don't know dreams will come to life.
How do you mean? I mean, what you're saying is strange to me. Can you please explain further?
She loves me, I love her.
Wait. You mean the man with that description is your father?
He is. As we speak now, he's in Ghana to visit my brother.
Wait, let me just confirm. Let me confirm. Bearded man. Is bald-headed.
Yes.
Right? Dark. Not too tall.
Yes, yes.
Mean face. Hey! Same man I've been seeing in my dreams.
He's the reason I didn't go to work. It's not as if there was no money. There was money, but you just don't want me to be seen around men. Yes, he said that even if I'm to be seen with any man, that the man has to be very rich.
This is becoming scary. It's becoming scary.
I can see your crying.
You see why I don't want to join you. The question now is, what are you going to do as assistants? I'm actually thinking of going to check on him.
Hello.
Nan, welcome.
Thank you. Okay, this one your face is like this. I hope everything's alright. Are you sure? Alright. Isoma, do you have any food at home? Because I'm so hungry. Alright, I'll be inside.
Perfect, as you can see, my first husband is good. I have something to do. Okay.
How are you?
Fine. Wait a minute. What are you doing? Mama, you are drinking gale?
I'm meeting my son.
Where is Odumeje?
Odumeje? He's not in.
Odumeje?
I said he just left now.
Ah.
Hello. Good afternoon, Mom. How are you?
I'm fine.
And how are you?
Ikenna.
Oh.
Kedu. Mama, how are you?
Fine, no. Come and eat.
Mama, where's Dimeje?
Oh, Dimeje? He just left now. But he said he's coming to your house to give you part of the money you gave the police for saving him from the police arrest.
No, now.
Oh.
I told him not to bother giving me back the money.
Ha. So this is why Dimeje asked me to lend him 10,000 naira today, Tata.
Did you give it to him?
Nice, my friend. Now I'm not going to
Oh.
Aqua. Can I have my money now? That's 10,000 cash.
Which money? I'm not with it. I'm not even seeing Dimeje.
Hey.
Mama, please, let me hurry and meet him up. Please.
Oh, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye, no.
Mama, I don't like this thing. Dimeje should come and give me my 10,000 naira.
It's your friend though.
Come on, eat.
Wake. I will come or it's me or Dimeje. I have part of your money. Good evening.
Hold your greetings. So you are the good-for-nothing loafer that wants to spoil my only daughter for me, eh?
No. It has not gotten to that though. I don't want to spoil her.
You don't want to spoil her?
No.
It has reached to the extent of sneaking around my house, looking for her, calling her.
I just want to give her something.
You want to give her something?
Sorry. I will go.
It's not as if you are what? Okay.
I just want to give her something.
So you're the young man that wants to see my daughter?
Dimeje.
Just 1 minute, let me call her.
Thank you, sir. Just tell her I'm here. I want to give her something. See? He will call her for me. Let me just give her.
It's okay, yes.
Come!
Thank you, sir. Come!
Odo Yewo, Odo Menka, Odo Messiah, Odo Prima, Odo Nikwaye. Nonsense. Let me see you around my house again.
Come back! He will call her for you.
Idiot.
Man, you got Odogu. Odogu came.
You no get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, oh. You no get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, oh.
Why is your face like this?
I'm just coming from your house. Your father chased me out with a cutlass.
What? Why?
So that I should never come to his house again to be free.
Now I will have to confront this man.
Stop. No, this is getting too much. Stop. You don't pay evil for evil. I'm sure if you go there now, something else might happen. I would advise you go home with your man. Tell him everything so that both of you can come up with a solution to this. I have to go and see my mother and sister at the shop.
It's fine, Isoma. Thank you for being so supportive. Thank you.
What are friends for? Dumeje, please take good care of her. Okay? I'll see you later.
You know they remember the past. Because you get money, everybody can't be nonsense for your eyes.
This is 20,000 naira. Part of the money I'm owing you. I was able to get 10,000 naira from a friend of mine. Then the other 10,000 is from jobs that I did. Because just hold this one. I'll still give you the balance.
Dumeje, you need this money more than I do. Please hold it. I was at the house earlier and I saw Mama soaking gari. If there was food in the house, she won't be out there soaking gari. So I suggest you hold it and make good use of it. Or perhaps you can give some to me. I'll go to the market, buy food stuff and make food for you and Mama to eat.
5,000, yes.
It's much like 4K. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's fine. I'll see you later.
Should I come with you?
No, there will be no need. Just go home and rest. I'm sorry about what happened earlier.
Take care.
Take care of yourself.
Wonder whether you say your mind to the devil. See how she dey act to show say you no mind. You just dey do anyhow. Why? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you get yo? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you be? Which kind mind you get yo? You know they remember the past because you get money.
See with your eyes. She's the one. I'm seeing her. Dumeje. So it's true. So it is true you are cheating on me with another woman behind me.
My love, who is she? And what does she want here?
Don't worry, I'll take it. Ada. Whatever we had ended the day you left for the city. You went there and you forgot about me completely. You moved to other men. Alright? So why are you coming back here to disturb me? Okay?
Dumeje, you are so shameless. Even if you want to cheat on me with another woman, at least someone very clean and neat. Not this village girl. Not this village Mbeke or Pasela.
Watch your tongue. I won't stand here and watch you insult me. Dumeje, talk to her.
I'll take care of this. Ada, don't get me angry. Can you hear me? Don't push me to the wall. You came here and you told me that you were going to the city. Huh? You think I didn't hear what you told your friends?
Me?
That you're done with me? Huh? Now make to the
No!
Shut up. You're going to look for a rich man and you settle with. You think I didn't hear it? Huh? You went there and you followed all other men. Or did it? Leave me alone now. Hey! Listen to me. I have a well, I know. Abagogi. Yes, leave my house.
You're asking me, Ada, to leave your house because of this thing?
Dumeje, is Ada you're talking to like that?
It's you.
Am I supposed to be talking to you? If I count to 3, you're still here. 1.
Hey! Let's go!
Yeah, Dumeje, because of this game, me.
Who is she and what does she want?
It's nothing. I'll explain.
You never told me you had someone in your life before me. I'm listening. Go ahead and talk.
Okay. I'm sorry I didn't tell you. But just like you said, I had. Not have. Had. I had someone. That means it's all over. Her name is Ada. Okay, I dated her before I met you. One day she came here and said she was going to the city. Don't know what she said she was going to do there. She went there, she followed other men. Not just one man, different people. Because she loves money. Which, don't have that much. So she left and she moved on with her life. Me, God bless me with you. I moved on with my own life. Now she has heard that we are together and she's coming to make trouble. Oh, it's nothing. Okay?
Are you sure she's not going to pose as a threat to us?
Threaten who? Me? Go on, I bag you up to go news. It's nothing. Oh? Don't bother yourself. It's nothing. Good evening. Huh?
It's okay.
I'm sorry, oh? Sorry for you.
Let's eat.
I hope you still enjoy the
It's
food.
already getting cold.
I'll make it hot for you.
Hey! Hey, what is the point? Ada! I can't believe you could not do anything to that girl. You left that girl to be enjoying with your own man, Ada, and you couldn't do anything.
Let me ask you, what would I have done?
Fight.
Fight who?
Ada, don't tell me you're not woman enough to fight for your own man.
Ada, you really fall our hand.
Yes.
No. You should have allowed us to deal with her right there.
Are you not my friends? You claim to love me, you claim to do anything for me. So why didn't you just fight her there? I should go and fight her so that Major will spoil my face, Abi.
What's going on? Are you praising your voice? What's happening here?
Amaya, you need to see what happened today. Ada here could not fight for her own man. That girl was right before us, calling Dumeje my love.
Hey!
My Ada kept quiet.
Hey! Hi, my hand. Let me ask you something. What should I have done? See, you do what you're asking. What?
I was already.
Why didn't you do it then? Why didn't you fight her?
I was already starting my.
Why didn't you fight her then? I should have fight her so that you may just cry my face. I was usually me.
It is a lie. When we are there, we would have killed them.
Oh, damn.
I don't come here. I have to go back, Joko. I'm ready to go back.
I don't even know what to say.
You don't get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, no. You no get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, no. If not cry, make she cry.
So you are here reading newspaper when our only daughter is out there. She has not come back because since you chased her out from integrity. As if nothing happened. You are relaxing.
Landlord said our only daughter, not our only child.
I don't understand what you mean.
Is it not obvious that your stupid daughter is out there somewhere frolicking with her so-called lover boy?
How do we bring back our daughter? That is all I'm concerned with. Whether she is enjoying out there or not, I don't care. Nine.
How will I think of bringing our daughter back when I don't even know where that idiot that is harboring her stays?
I don't know where he is either. But we can always ask around. Or better still, you can go to Enebene's workshop. That's where my daughter said that his own workshop is located at.
Odo Yewo, Odo Minko, Odo Mensa, Odo Nibwae. Listen, I am not a jobless man. To do that, whenever Akweke gets tired of frolicking with that idiot, she'll find her way back home.
Nah. But she's on.
Enough, woman! Let me read this paper in peace. And I don't want to hear any more of that topic. Check it! Odoni Bwae. Odoni Bwae. Odoni Bwae.
Nah, this thing you're doing is not good though. It's not good though.
If not cry, may she cry. If not die, may she die. I wonder whether now your blood though she be. If not cry, may she cry. If not die, may she die. I wonder whether now your blood though she be. You too wicked. You too get mine. I wonder whether you say your mind to the devil. See how she dey act to show say you know mind. You just dey do anyhow.
Enenebe, the only professional mechanic in Abani town.
You can say that again and again.
Njoko, right?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. If I remember, since I have been operating my mechanic workshop in this vicinity, you have not given me this courtesy of visiting me. Into what do I owe this? Or has your son bought you a car and you need me to attend to it?
Far from it. But my car will arrive very soon.
So, to what do I owe this visit?
I came to see one of your boys. His name is Dumeje. Dumeje, that's what they call him.
Dumeje is not my boy. He is my partner. But right now, he's no longer here. He has left this workshop. The other day, the police came to arrest him. And if not for your daughter, by now he will be languishing in jail. I mean, languishing in jail.
How do you mean? How did my daughter save him?
Somebody brought a car to the workshop. I handed it over to Dumeje. Dumeje went into the car and scattered the car. Now the owner of the car came for his car and the car would not even start. So he called the police. Now when I checked the damages in the car, he had caused a damage of 60,000 naira. 60,000 naira. Now the owner of the car was furious. If not for your daughter, who had the magnanimity to bring 60,000 naira to bail Dumeje from the police, he will have been languishing in jail by now.
I see. Okay, but how can you help me locate where this young man lives?
No, I can't remember where he stays. It's been a long time since I went there. But I think one of my boys knows where he stays. He will take you there.
Please, let him take me there now.
I hope all is well.
All is well. I just want to know where the young man stays, that's all. All is well.
All right. Osandu! Oh, Osandu, come. Okay. Now, take this man to Dumeje's house. And hurry up and come back. You must finish this car today.
Okay, sir.
Dumeje's house.
Okay,
Okay. The motor. Do you drive?
Huh?
Sorry, that place is far.
Shut up and take me to where they asked you to take me to.
Sorry, sir.
Odo yewo, Odo minko, Odo meisai, Odo prima, Odo nibwae. Go ahead and take me there.
Sorry. What kind of catastrophic language is that? Odo what? Prima. This man is eccentric, very eccentric. Osandu, buy me a pack of Benson when you're coming back.
Is it wrong to fall in love? Is it wrong to find your missing ribs? I can see a crime in this. Leave us alone, leave us in peace.
Nine.
Where could he have gone to? Eh?
What have we done wrong to you?
Where could he have gone to without informing me?
Why not leave us to leave? She loves me, I love her.
Eh?
Don't tear us apart. This is the only road we can go. Leave us in peace. get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter they feel, no. You no get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter.
Okay. This is their house. This is where he lives.
Okay. You can go now.
Okay, sir.
If not cry, may she cry. If not die, may she die. I wonder where down your blood do she be. You too wicked. You too get mine. I wonder whether you say your mind to the devil. See how she dey act to show say you know mind. You just dey do anyhow. Why? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you get yo? Which kind man you be? Which kind man you be? Which kind mind you get yo? You know they remember the past because you get money. Everybody can't be nonsense for your eyes.
Ada, if you ask me, I would advise you let them be. So you don't be like you're fighting an already lost battle.
How do you mean, Isioma?
As dreaded as fearful Mazen Jockey is, he won't be able to stop this too because it's obvious they are in love with each other.
Me, I know Mazen Jockey very well. He would never allow that to happen.
So, Isioma, in less than 3 months that I left the village to the city, you already know about this, Isioma?
I'm not a child anymore. At my age, I should be able to know when two people are genuinely in love with each other. Besides, it only takes love to make a girl give all her savings and as well the money she trades with just to free a guy. I'm sure if it were to be you wouldn't do that. So just let them be and move on with your life. After all, there are other men in the city where you live now.
If you ask me, Isioma here is making sense. Yes, there is sense in what she's saying. Consider it.
Shoma, so even you are suggesting I let them be? How? Tumeje is my man.
Yeah. Oh, I thought we are all friends. We all are best of friends. And the only thing and the best thing we can do to ourselves is to tell ourselves the truth. And that is what Isioma is telling you.
And you think this is the truth?
And that is the truth. Abagi, iponozo ga aponozo. Obura abagi nesi on, nesi on.
This meal is very delicious.
Thank you, Mama.
I'm sure you are going to be making this kind of meals for my son, for him to grow fatter than this.
I'll try my best, Mama.
Don't mind my mother. I'm very okay like this. No, okay.
I didn't say you're not okay, but you need to add a little bit. Just small.
Anything, add again. Next thing you see is my stomach.
I'm not going to complain.
Njoko.
Mama, you know him?
Yes, I do.
Obidia. So your son has been the one spoiling my daughter? Officer, what are you still waiting for? Get him arrested.
No.
Take him away.
He's not going anywhere. If you have to take him, you have to kill me first.
Madam, don't let us use force on you. Leave the way. Oh yeah, move it.
My lord.
Njoko,
move.
I'll go.
So you're doing this to me? You're doing this to my only son?
Next time you learn how to raise your son properly. And as for you, move it!
Move where?
I said move it!
Mama, I'm not going anywhere.
Don't make me do something I will regret. I said move it! Odo yewo, Odo minko, Odo meisai, Odo prima, Odo nigwae. Oh yeah, move it! On our building yoga, executive food. I thought you let's go home.
You don't get conscience at all, no. You no one know how your daughter
Nothing will happen to my son.
Hey. You no get conscience at all. Okay. No. You no one know how your daughter they feel. No. If na cry, may she cry. If na die, may she die. I wonder whether na your blood though she be. Is it wrong to fall in love? Is it wrong to find all missing ribs? I can see a crime in this. Leave us alone, leave us in peace.
No, Mom. It's okay, stop crying. I told you, I will tell your father. You will call DPO for them to release him first thing tomorrow morning. Wipe your tears, okay?
Why is Papa bent on making my life miserable? Why, Mama? He has practically controlled everything about my life since I was a child. Because of men, Papa did not allow me to go to the university like my mates too. Okay, now the only man in my life that I love is rotting in the cell because of me. Why is Papa doing all this to me? What have I done to deserve this from him? Am I not old enough?
It's okay, my daughter. I understand how you feel, believe me. I do. But you have to remember that your father is doing all this just for your own good.
Stop it, Mama! For my own good! And the love of my life is out there! You call it for my own good, Mama!
It's okay, Nnem. You know you have not eaten. Let's go inside so that you
Mama,
can eat.
I don't want to eat. I'm not going anywhere, Mama.
It's okay, Nnem. You know you have not eaten. Let's go inside so that you
Mama,
can eat.
I don't want to eat. I'm not going anywhere, Mama.
Leave us alone, leave us in peace. Do we really deserve this? What have we done wrong to you?
Let's do cheese!
Say cheese.
Cheese! Let's bring our thumbs.
Alright. It's not like that. Like this. It's not like that. Like this.
Amara! Where have you been? We've been looking for us to go Nigerians in this safe like Dikeh.
You don't know what happened.
Hey! What happened?
Meiji was arrested by Akweke's father. And Akweke stabbed herself. He rushed her to the hospital. I don't even know if she's going to survive it because the way the thing there, all the much.
Yay!
Don't even know she's going to. Me, I'm even scared safe because
I knew it. I feel that girl Akweke is very stupid to have done something like that.
Hey! Everybody win! Afrime rum! I know that a day like this will come. Okay. Yes! If that girl could go to an extent of giving a man, what can she not do? She can't do anything. Hey!
Hey! Wonder shall never end. How can she just stab herself just because of a man? Why?
You see why education and civilization is very good in our society. Come on. Which graduate on her normal senses will stab herself, killing herself because of a man in this village? When we have 1,001 rich cute guys in the city where I came from. I don't get it. Please. Who wants to follow me to the city? I'll show you girls. Me, I'm going with you. Yes.
My hands are up.
I am ready. I'll take you girls with me.
Look at us. Selfie time. Yes, cheese.
them the city. Show them the city.
Yeah! Yeah! I'll take you guys. Yes, that girl is so annoying because she keeps herself.
Father, I don't want anything to happen to my only son. I cannot fight this battle, please. Come and fight for me.
This is the only road we can go.
Okay. You can't hear this anymore.
Mama, I didn't sleep through the night, knowing that the only man after my heart is at the police net. How?
My son has never visited police station before. Let alone sleeping in the cell. I wish his father was still alive. All these things wouldn't have happened. Njoko, after all I did for you, this is what you're using to pay me back. You have the mind to arrest my only son. My only child for that matter.
Now that you made mention of it, please tell me, how well do you know my daddy?
My leg! Hey! There was snake! 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 Hey! Somebody help me! Oh! Somebody help me! Hey! Hey! My leg! My leg! My leg!
Hey, snake! Oh!
Snake!
Snake!
Easy, please. Hey! 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 I want a woman. Hey! I wake up, mama. I beg you. No, ma. Yeah, no, I want a room. I want snake.
Sorry.
Snake, you! Wait.
What is your name?
My name is Obidia.
I am Joko. I want to thank you for saving me from that poisonous snake bite. God will continue to bless you abundantly.
It's okay.
Thank you.
You'll be fine, okay?
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Huh? same man I saved his life is the same man that wants my son Odumeje dead.
What a life we're born into. Mama, please stop crying. Nothing will happen to him. Odumeje is a strong man. He will pull through.
I've heard what you said. You can start going now. Oh? Your parents will be looking for you. I'll be fine.
Mama, I don't want to go back to that house. I'd rather remain here with you for now.
Mbano, that will make the case worse. I don't want more of your father's trouble. I can see you off if you want.
No, Mama. Don't stress yourself. It's okay. I'll go.
Okay.
Mama, please stop crying. Take care of yourself, Mama.
Mama, stay away from me. Please. My daughter, please. Mama, stay away from me. Please.
And I promise you, your man will release.
Papa, how could you be so mean and wicked? How could you be heartless, Papa? You went ahead to arrest him, even when you know he was the son of a woman who saved you when you were bitten by a dangerous poisonous snake. Papa, you're so mean and heartless. What wicked! Was Odumeje's mother the same woman you told me that saved your life?
Yes, but that's not a good reason for her person to have an affair with my daughter. My only daughter. I need a rich son-in-law, not a loaf.
You need a rich son-in-law, Papa. Let me see, I'm going to end everything. Let me know how you take your daughter to marry a rich man.
Tell me that this news that I'm hearing is true.
Somebody told me that they arrested Odumeje, my very good friend, yesterday.
Hey, Mama, what you heard is true. Odumeje has been in the police custody since yesterday.
On what offense? Can your committee?
My dear, Njoko, Akweke's father arrested him because he wants him to leave his daughter alone.
In Abano,
that is why I want to be a barrister. Mama,
the Oya madness in higher level. So this kind of case still exists in this village. Maka why?
If you ask me, who will I ask? The worst part is that I don't even know the police station they took him to. Rather did I know the Njoku's house.
Njoku? Babi. Njoku Boke Ghana.
Imaya?
Let's go.
Imaya?
Yes.
That means you're taking me there.
to find your missing ribs. I can see your crime in this. Leave us alone, leave us in peace.
Mama, this is the house.
Why are you gathered here?
What is happening?
Akweke stabbed herself and has been rushed to the hospital.
Chico!
Oh, baby!
Why did she stab herself?
Mama, because the father refused to go release the man she loves from the police station.
Which hospital?
I know the hospital.
There is only one major hospital here in our village. The rest are clinics, unless they took her to the city, which is not likely because of her state.
Somebody should come and take us there.
Would you? Go home and tell Mama about what happened, eh? I want to go and check her condition. Okay, I'm coming back. Let's go.
Is it wrong to fall in love? Is it wrong to find your missing ribs? I can see your crime in this. Leave us in peace.
She's awake, thank God. Doctor.
Reggie, my love, where are you? Where are you? Please come and hold me.
Olivia, what have you come here to do? Eh? Your useless son has succeeded in making my only daughter to take her own life. Eh? Did you come to confirm her death? Olivia?
No. Where is she? How is her condition now?
Don't you ask me useless and stupid question. Eh? Doctor. Please, how is she? Do you think she'll survive?
Well, she's very lucky to have been rushed in on time. She actually lost a lot of blood, but we'll try our possible best to make sure she survives. One more thing, Mr. Joko. Are you aware your daughter is still pregnant?
Very bad. Doctor, I'm sorry. I'm not aware of that.
Well, your daughter is 2 weeks pregnant, and the good news is that the fetus is not affected at all, which is a very good news, and that the baby is not affected at all. It's in a very good condition.
Doctor, she's awake.
Excuse me.
Doctor, can we come and see her?
So you're happy now? Your son has gotten my only daughter pregnant. I will make sure he will rot in jail. That I can assure him.
Please, have mercy on him. He's my only son, please.
Reggie, my love, where are you? Reggie, where are you? Please come and hold me.
Doctor, this is the same name she has been calling since you woke up.
This is serious. My dear, I am a doctor, okay? But don't worry, just hold. I'll get Dumeje for you.
Okay, thank you.
Nurse, please take good care of her. Let me get Dumeje. I'll be right back.
Don't worry. Dumeje will soon be with you here.
Thank you.
He will soon be here.
Mr. Joko, the daughter has regained consciousness.
Thank God.
But she needs to see Dumeje. Who is Dumeje?
Dumeje is not here.
Mr. Joko, I am really sorry. But you need to send for him immediately so that he can come. She needs his presence to stay alive. As you know, she just returned from coma, except you want her to go back to coma and never return. So please, if you don't mind, I have other patients to attend to. Excuse me.
Woman, so your daughter still mentions that name even after regaining consciousness?
Please, you heard what the doctor just said. No, please, I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. Remember, she's our only daughter. I don't want her dead. Please, call the DPO. Let them release him so that he can come here as soon as possible for our daughter to be alive for 9. Because 9. I'm going to know how to follow my word. Because no follow my word. Because no no my God, I want to thank you. Please, 9.
It's okay, baby. Stand up.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello? Yeah, Mr. DPO. I am calling for you to please release that young man under your custody, Major. As a matter of fact, I want him to report at Duval Hospital immediately. Yes, my daughter is in a critical condition, and he is the only one that can make her stay alive. Don't worry. I will make some money available to you as soon as I leave the hospital. Thank you, DPO. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Your son will soon be here very soon.
Thank you, Dad.
Nurse. Yes. Nurse. Yes. Meji is coming. The doctor has gone to call him.
Are you sure?
Yes, of course, he's coming. He will soon be here. Just exercise a little patience. Okay? Let me go and check if he's here. Okay.
Okay. You're welcome.
How is she? I know. Where is she?
Is he in Beijing?
Yes, I'm Beijing. No, what's happening? Oh, she's okay.
My daughter stabbed herself with a knife.
Jesus Christ.
Because her father refused to tell me from police night.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, she's okay. Oh, she's still alive. Can I see her?
Nurse, can we go to see her?
Yes, you can. But certainly not all of you. Because the ward she is cannot accommodate all of you.
So what do we do?
Don't worry, we should go. I'll stay with Mama.
Yes, let's go. There she is.
My love.
Oh, babe. Is that you?
Yes, it's me. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling better because you're here. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Adoma, my priceless jewel. How are you doing?
Mama, I'm feeling better because Obeme is here.
Please be strong for your mother. Please, you know I love you.
I'll be fine, Mama.
I called this meeting because I have some important things to say. But before I proceed, I would like to first of all apologize to Akweke, my daughter, for all the wrong things I have done to her. I know I've always wanted the best for you. And as a father, I feel like I pushed you too much. Even though I wanted you to marry a rich man, I just realized that love conquers everything. Any marriage not based on love is like an exercise in futility. It is because of love that your mother and I are still living together happily ever after. So, I want you to find in your heart to forgive me. Forgive your ignorant father.
It's okay, Papa. I forgive you.
Don't be there. Please, I also apologize to you and your son, Edichie, for all that I put you through.
It's okay, Mazin Joko. I hold nothing against you.
I'm glad to hear that. Now that we have all forgiven each other, let me go ahead and break the good news. Nollywood, I hereby give you 100% permission to marry my daughter.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma.
Furthermore, I spoke with Akweke's elder brother, my son who is based in Ghana. He also gave his consent. At the same time, he wants you to come to Ghana so you can join him in his line of business. To be able to raise money for your traditional marriage.
Hey, that would be good.
In addition to that, I will give you 2 million naira to support your business.
Thank you, Mazin Joko, for wiping away my tears.
Papa, thank you so much. Thank you, Papa.
Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
It is well. It is well.
Ọ̀dọ̀ yẹ̀wò, ọ̀dọ̀ mi ńkọ́, ọ̀dọ̀ mẹ̀sáì, ọ̀dọ̀ mpirima, ọ̀dọ̀ lórí ìwà.